All right, it's September 24th, 2024. It's a Tuesday morning, about 20 after 9 a.m. Eastern. Let's take a look at my account real quick. It is showing $347 up here, but that is not correct. Early this morning, I pulled the $47 that I have currently in profit above and beyond 300. I pulled that and sent that to my bank account. So that's a transaction in progress. And that's showing here as unsettled cash, $47. Again, I trade with a $300 account, and I just rinse and repeat the same 300, using it over and over again to bring those extra funds in. So I treat anything above and beyond 300 as profit, and I regularly pull those profits and send them to my bank. So you can see settled cash here is $300. That's my actual account value. This will change once this transaction of $47 completes and clears off. So $300 to trade with today. That's my true account value. I bring profits into my bank, and I bring my account right back to $300 when I do that. So I will pause the video and be back when the market opens. HSCS is looking the best out of the top 5 in the market currently. Keeping a close eye here on it. It's come up above VWAP with these two candles here and is showing some strength. If I were to take a trade, I would probably roughly put in 40 shares at the current price. But it's too early to decide here. It just came up above its own average price line, which is the VWAP orange line here. And VWAP, you can see here, is showing the average price at 431. Well, it's at 445 because we're above that line now. But in order to prove itself to me, it's got to continue on here a little bit, just to show that this movement is real and is going to continue. So I'll pause and come back. Okay, I am in this trade of HSCS. I decided to, and I have been stopped out just that quick. Let's take a look. That was a loss of $8.62 and about a 2% loss on my total account value. I keep any losses between 2 and 3%, no more than 3% per day on my total account. So that was not a very good trade. Just did not work out, got stopped out. I'm going to pause. I still have another $118 of settled cash I could trade with. I'll pause the video and come back if there's another potential trade for me. Watching BNZI, trying to make a little move here. It's very early in the move. If it continues, I'm going to see what it's going to do. It's currently the third highest gainer in the market, up 75%. But it is showing some strength and showing plenty of trading activity. If I were to take a position on this, again, it would be very small. I'll pause and return. All right, I'm in on a position of BNZI. I only have 15 shares at 741 down here. Here's my profit and loss. I'm just trying to snag just a small little piece of this thing. I got in a little early. I got in on this third candle here. It was just starting a upward run. I did get in early on this. So we'll see if some buyers come in and pull this back up. There are buyers still trading this, coming in on this, but it is showing weakness at the moment. The trading activity appears to be slowing down. So this may not work out for me. We're going to see what happens. Getting late in the morning. It's 10:06 a.m. Eastern time. And again, I probably got in just a little bit early on this move, obviously. In hindsight, I did get in too early. But we'll see. We've still got buyers in here, down here if you see my mouse. Buyers are in control currently of this 1 minute candle. See if they can pull this thing back up. Again, I'm in at 741 with only 15 shares. I'm just trying to scalp just a wee little bit on this. Probably not my best trading decision here since I got in on this third candle, but we'll see. Buyers still interested down here. When that's green, there's more buyers on this candle at this moment than there are sellers. So they're bringing it up at the moment. We're looking a little better. Trying to turn green here now on the profit and loss. We'll see if this strength with the buyers can continue a little bit. I have my take profit set at, I'm going to bring it down to 751. If I can get that, I'll be fairly happy just to take a little small piece of this. I may pull that down even farther yet. Again, I'm in at 741. Just kind of hanging on to my take profit bar here. Buyers are still interested. They're still on this ticker. And we just got taken out with a little bit of profit. So let's go take a look. Okay, I made a little bit on that. But if you look at my total for the day, it's a negative $6.99. Just call that negative $7. And that's a 1.5% loss for the day. Again, not the end of the world. Not the greatest day either. But I kept my loss small. My criteria is no more than 2 to 3% loss for the day on my total account value, and I'm negative 1.5%. So I'm well within my own rules on how much I'm willing to lose. Just not a good day today. A loss and a very small win here on the BNZI I just traded. So it's Tuesday. Let's see what tomorrow, Wednesday, brings. Hopefully we'll do a little better. Thanks for watching.